Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making shorba kaware. If you like it but don't have the time to stick around waiting for it to cook, this slow cooker recipe is for you. Simply dump all your ingredients into the slow cooker and let it do the work for you. I'm using 8 pieces of lamb feet, also known as lamb paya. These were cut up into small pieces. I add them into the slow cooker with vegeta, black pepper, cinnamon stick, mixed herbs, onion and 6 cups of water. There's no need for oil because these bones contain enough oil. I set it on high for 3 hours. After the first 3 hours, I mix to combine and cook it on low for 3 hours. I now check, and though it's cooked, I like mine on the softer side, so I continue cooking for an additional 2 hours. At this point, the soup is cooked. I didn't add any more salt. However, feel free to adjust the salt and seasoning to taste before turning the heat off. I served this by itself, but it also goes well with kisra or bread rolls. For more of my simple recipes, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.